Let's make a fake duotone. This image is in the RGB color mode. Remember earlier we took it to grayscale and then to the duotone? Well, I went back to the original image. So this image for the fake duotone needs to be in the Adobe RGB color space. See, image mode RGB. Okay, you might remember how to do this. We're going to go over to adjustments and we are going to choose hue and saturation. And in hue and saturation, we're going to click the colorize button. And then, what does it look like? It looks like a duotone that we were creating earlier. But now we can change the hue just by moving the hue slider, the color. And we can adjust the saturation, the intensity of that color. And most of the time I don't play with the lightness, but you can add kind of a white or a black to it. So you might want to play with it. Do a save. Shift-Command-S. It's going to go into our Duotone folder. I've made 19 of them so far. I'm going to go back and call this one number 20. Save it as a Photoshop document, PSD, hit save. Now, when we come back to here, we don't need to do anything else. We have this hue and saturation layer. We can just change the color and do this again. Shift-Command-S to save. And this one will be 21 as a Photoshop document. Save. Let's take this back to 0. Let's push the saturation all the way up and save it again. This one's number 22. Well, I think you get the idea here. You can have a lot of fun with this. Don't forget, you can always play with your blend modes. See what they do. Everything is A-OK. We're learning the program. I want you to explore. Give things a try. But if you like something, you have to know what you did so that you can recreate it. So taking notes is a good idea. Let's say this one is number, I can't remember, Shift-Command-S. This one's going to be number 23. So the note for number 23 is going to say hue plus 204, saturation 100, lightness -5, and then blend mode, screen. So I want to be really specific as to what my notes are so that if I like something, I can recreate it. So go have fun.